Hi, in this video, I will show you how to connect Gemini to Google Docs. So the first thing that you'd like to do, open any browser that you want, go to the URL section, just type docs.google.com so you can find yourself in Google Docs. Here, make sure that you're logged in into an account and just go and access any documents that you want. An existing one, create a new one, it's up to you. So if you notice at the top right corner, you'll find Try Gemini option. If you go and click on that, as you can see, you will be able to just use it. You don't need a connection between Gemini and Google Docs. You'll be able to use it right away. But there's a catch. You need a Google One Premium subscription or maybe a Workspace Labs account. Once enabled, you can use this Ask Gemini. So if I click on Try It Now or Try It Out Now, they will take me here to pay for a subscription. So basically, if I go and click on upgrade here, you will see for the free usage, you only get cloud storage per user, which is 15 gigabytes. But if you upgrade it, you will get 2 terabytes and you will get also what we want, which is Gemini AI assistance in Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and more. So basically, if we want to use Gemini on Google Docs or any other Google tool, you will need to pay for a plan. And of course, you can even try it for 14 days with no cost. You can just go and click on continue, try it out. Of course, you'll have to enter your card details anyway. So you can try it with no cost, for example, for 14 days. Then you'll have to start paying. So they'll take you here as example. You'll need to pay or to enter your informations. Then you'll be able to try it for 14 days. And basically to try it or to connect it, you can just go and click on try Gemini at the top right, and you'll be able to use it, to chat with it, so you don't need even a connection. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.